How massive debt can keep you secure. It's a funny thing that to understand that debt can actually keep you secure. Debt has the ability to keep creditors and people that you owe money to off your back. How is that? Because you already owe money to somebody else. So let's take a house, for example. Your house, you owe everything on your house. So say you get into some type of accident or something and somebody tries to sue you, they're going to do an asset search on you. And when they do that asset search on you, they're going to see if you own your house. Because if you actually own your house, they could take your house. But if your house is owned by somebody else, you're secure. They can't take your house because you don't own it. They can't even take partial of your house because you don't own it completely. So that's not something that they're gonna go after. They only like going after people that own stuff. So that's actually a benefit of massive debt. Now, massive debt is only good if you know how to use it. Most people don't know how to use it. They're victims of massive debt. And that's the problem, when you're a victim of it and you don't use it to your advantage. If you use massive debt to your advantage, it can help secure your business life and your financial life. But that's a technique that has to be taught, and you have to learn it. It's not something you're gonna get on your own. So go to businesscreditbuilder.co. That's not .com, businesscreditbuilder.co if you want to learn more and get your finances and learn how to use massive debt as an actual tool to help you.